The most impactful moment I had with PCI was the initial introduction. I reached out to 19 companies and only 2 got back to me. And Ed was the first one that got back to me. And I was so impressed at the very beginning that he felt the same amount of urgency for my project. We shared that, and that's very rare, and that's something that has really pushed this project through. Yeah, Ed is a great interface to the team because the rest of the team shares his same attributes, the same sense of urgency, the same knowledge, appreciation for detail. So we were immediately integrated with VP of R&D, other people high level at the company, whether it's Raj or other senior scientists. So they've been unbelievable to work with, everyone there. So you feel like you have access to experts, whether it's the engineers, plant manager, even the analytical group. They are all very accessible. It's an amazing feeling to partner with the best, and the PCI sweeping the awards is validation in that regard, that you know you have a good partner, but to see that makes you feel like I did my job well. Like I found the right guys, which I already knew, but this just makes it feel that much better, that validation. Yeah, the reason I chose PCI is because Ed was immediate in terms of urgency, set up a call literally the next day, had an NDA in place very quickly. The process was seamless, and we were talking chemistry and process issues from day one. And that again is very hard to do if you're talking about urgency in that situation, to find that. And when you do, you just let it pull you through the process, and that's what Ed really did. I didn't have to push, I was really pulled through the process. Just sit in a meeting with them. Sit in a meeting with Paul, with Raj, with the project managers like Chuck, with the guys from the analytical group. Just sit in a meeting with them. It's unbelievable how they run it, that they are experts in what they do. They deliver, they constantly encounter problems, that's the nature of their business, but they get through it and they deliver, and it's amazing. I've never had 1 second of second thoughts dealing with Ed or anybody at PCI. I've known I've always been with the right team.